I'm presenting laminator. It's the motor-driven flatbed applicator. We will have some differences in working with that machine against the manual versions. We're also offering a manual version, but the motor-driven version gives you a lot of benefits, a lot of advantages, which I want to present you now. With a manual machine, you would normally start in the middle of a print, working to the one side to left, back to the middle, and then to the next step to the right. With an automatic version of this, you can work on the top side of the machine instead of the side. And you will be able to connect the print on the top and then proceed the second step inwards. I will present it to you now. Here you can lower the roller and you can engage the motor. So now it's engage the motor. So now it's fixed and it's motor driven. Now we can release the line top here. Next thing is you don't need to cut the line, just fold it half down here and use the motor to connect the first part. Go back to the line where you started. A little on top helps you to avoid the bottled line down there. Next thing is, we don't used to have a bridge over the road, so it's very easy to handle. Just flip it over, release the liner, hold it with both hands, and press the button to mount the print on the board. So it's very easy and very fast. You have some more benefits by using the motor. One of the benefits is if you are working manually, you have to cut the release liner first up, release half of the print. If it's 1.5 meter, half of the print. While releasing it, you will have a static loading on the material, so all the dust around has the chance to be between the print and board. With the motor-driven version, as you can see, it's only a small gap opened and it's continuously running, so you have less risk for dust between the boards. Second thing is, if you're working with small boards, it's very easy to handle it from the top side instead standing on the side and hanging over the machine. Next thing is, if you are working with the motor in the same direction as you are mounting the prints, you will have absolutely perfect alignment. We have done a lot of tests and we will have after 3 meter, 1 millimeter or less misalignment, and I think this is a very good result. Also when you're working with foam boards with a manual machine, you will have a little problem that if you are stopping at some points, you will have a line pressed in this foam board. With a motor-driven version, it's very constantly and it's very equal with the surface, so you don't want to get a single line. It's perfect done after this. These are the main functions. If you want to laminate, we will have another option. If you are using the bar, you will have, sorry, wrong side. If you are using the bar, you can very easily use the application tape or mounting material. Just put it on top here. You don't need to connect the roll and fix it with some core gutters. Only put it on top here. Use the material between there, and you can just put something in front, use the motor, and that's all. So I hope to show you the most benefits of using a motor with a flatbed applicator, and I would be happy to hear from you. You can reach us, you can find us on www.ilatec.de. Thank you very much.